wena thula esethi ufunani emotweni endoda yami ufunani emotweni endoda yami ukhuluma nawe baby girl into kulimata dango uthini uyangiva uthini uyangiva na ngithi utolimala
sesi wena dendele ku-avoid idrama nyalo phela
ufunani emoto
akayehle ngoba sesibafuna abafundi loko la
ingivalele ifoni imini yonke ngenxa yakho
utongena ngala bavulele isivalo
uyendanjani ufunani emotweni ama-drive through udlimale abantu abami
mina ngi-cab drive sesi wena dendele
uma silungise naye akwendiwa lo usukela lo muntu webantu lo ekhamba ushiya le ndoda yakho. You are fighting a side chick, you are leaving your husband. Funa nemotweni yendoda yami, like the car was stolen. The car was not stolen. Uniketwe umuntu, uniketwe indoda yakho. Lo inkinga ngendoda yakho. Wena bhekana nendoda yakho. Ngazi ube sestradini ulimale noma kondenjani. Ladies, stop this habit of stooping low. You are a queen of your home. Once you go and fight side chicks, you are stooping low. You are getting to a level. You are a queen. When I deal with your men, ladies, stop this low self-esteem of forcing men to love you. Now you're running after him, to mother him, to clean up after him, to try to remove him from someone like he's some baby. That's an adult. If he's given a car to someone or allowed someone to sit in your car, he has chosen that person over you. And you need to demonstrate self-love, which is an ability to accept people's stupid decisions and stupidity by choosing yourself. Never go around like a mother of a toddler trying to knock sanity into someone for them to stay with you or to choose you. Zithande wena. Stop attacking side chicks. Deal with your person. If you want to stay in the relationship, deal with the person, stay in the relationship. Or if you want to walk away, you walk away. But fighting with the side chick is really stooping.
Maswati, please help me. I don't know how to convey this language so that lo sisilo azongitwa kahle, azongitwa la emadlebeni. Ngibone video ya trends la. Ibonakala ngathi unkosikazi ngathi ugibele kwibhampa la moto ufakile lo sandla efestileni ku passenger seat. Umbuzo wakhe uthi ufunani emotweni yendoda yami, ugibelelene emotweni yendoda yami. Indoda yami kade lingivalele lo cingo the whole day, kanti all along wena ubusy kuma drive through udla mali yabantu abami. Ngicela umuntu owazi la sisomswati lo ya umtshele about University of KMD. Keep moving dadewethu, that's the name of my brand. Ayenziwa leyanto abafazi bala South Africa. Abafazi bala South Africa bayeka leyanto, kabafundisa ukuthi bayeke. Ayenziwa leyanto. Wena usu actor like a fool, pretending like a fool as if that lady nguye oyixuthile, meaning oyithathe ngeforce imali from your husband to go eat it. Because your husband even switch off the phone intentionally because akafuni ku disturb wawu, akafuni nuisance. Now talking about self-love, why don't you love yourself? Because this person does not love you. This person has shown that he does not respect you. He does not even want you to disturb what he's doing, what he loves the most. So when you're busy blaming another woman, you ukibeleleni emotweni yendoda yami. When are you acting like this lady has a gun there as if he hijacked the guy and said ngibeze emotweni yakho bese uyahamba ngisa bayathandana abantu. So uzokuvela underpant lakho lo irabha enkulu yepenti lakho la ngasemuva la njobo ugibela kuphampala kuvela under enkulu irabha enkulu la yepenti la ngoba you took your dignity and even went lower. Your dignity is already minused because this guy knows exactly that he's married and he involves somebody waboraro. You guys are dealing with that the women were the one who were seducing your husband. No matter, man. Hayi man guys, yekeni lento. Lahla lo muntu lo uhambe uqala phansi. Ngibona lo muntu ba indoda emathileyo, sidenge sendoda esi. Sidenge sendoda. Umuntu ongakuhloniphiyo, athi angakuhloniphi naphambi kwentombi ngoba uyayazi ba he does not mind being seen in public with you. I mean with the makwapeni. Even when he went to town with that lady, it was not like they were invisible. He knew that he may be seen and he didn't care. So when I go, you must go. You are busy. And anithumele lo sisi womswati phanithi nimtshele ukuthi amxhosa but mtshele ukuthi angene lesikolo lesi uzograde la aphasa nge-honors degree uzojabula in the next 1 year 2 years uzobe se-right obe sejabulile fumene enye indoda ezomthanda akazihloniphe athathe dignity yakhe ayibeke phezulu. Don't enable men to disrespect you, man. Don't enable men to disrespect you. Amadoda, they are forever like this because you are enabling them. Indoda iyachita uyahlala uhambe uyiconfronta futhi awusayiconfronta uconfronta the lady. Wena uthatha uburongo obenziwe ngolomyeni wakho ubusa kulosisi o-approachwe yena kwabona impundu zakhe kwayiwa kuyo. You shift the blame uyisa kulo muntu. Uyisa to the wrong person. Is your husband gonna see in the next lady bangaba ube wrong kulo oqala? He's never gonna see into wrong. He will continue cheating and go for another one because he knows that you're gonna confront the lady. Guys, please, man. Hey, please. Ingqondo mayibuye emfazini. No, man, you can't be staying in a marriage whereby you are treated like trash just because uyazi ukuthi ulindele i-wallet yomyeni wakho. Amadoda sometimes they treat you bad because bayazi ukuthi uthembele ngabo. Nebungalala udle ipapa namanzi. Choose yourself. I always say peace is everything. Even if ungathiwa ndihlala emkhukhwini, I don't have a roof over my head, but if my heart is at peace, even if ngidle lala ngidla ama noodles anginako ukudla, but if my heart is at peace, guys, no, lahla lo muntu lo, divorce lo muntu lo, then nihambe ne-children's court okanye kwi-family court advocate, and then you make sure that you draft what we call parenting plan for kids. Maintain abantwana, ukhulisa abantwana bakho in peace. You wait for another man who is willing to be a father in your kids, because there are always men out there who are willing to be fathers. There are always men there as well who have been disadvantaged by ladies. There are also ladies who are silly, hey? Always taking for granted. Amadoda there. There are also madoda there that are waiting for serious women to marry. It's not only us who are heartbroken. Even men, some men are heartbroken, disappointed by us as women. Just that we are not all the same. Even amadoda nawo akafani amadoda. Hayi man, le video le ingithikimezile, ingiphazamisile. Hayi ungaphinde uyiphinde le nto sisidima sakho. Hayi. Angiyange emsebenzini ngiyagula. Manje uvele wangenza ngagula worse. Ngisobona le video yakho. Hayi man sis.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to a viral video lo says lo bonakala agibele tuwe moto endodzi yakhe abuti sayitshe ukuthi ufuna nemoto indodzi yami ivala ifoni because of wena ke sana udla imali yabantu abami. And people are just saying ukuthi ayibuke indodzi yakho nayo nje laqeleni kwakho ungavela uconfront yona wendani ukhuluma nemntwana ebantu indola ngayadi and mawuthi wena ufuna nendoda emotini indodzi yakho. What do you mean? Because lo muntu lethwe indodzi yakho la motini, it's not like unjontshile and your husband is right here, ungavela uconfront yona. So honestly speaking, lo ntombatana uthi embarrassile. This was just embarrassment ke sana, because uyambona ukuthi mhlawumbe ufonele bamtshela ukuthi hayibo wena na indodzi yakho la waqhamuka ngel-220 angakagezanga ngisho nokugeza just ukuthi adothi ufunani emotini yendodzi yami. And there are people who are saying ukuthi right lo sesidlula kwendile, and ngivele ngabablock bonke labantu labo on my channel because angibafuni bantu abaslow. Angibafuni bantu labaslow. Clearly nabo if bebaku this situation nabo batofike ba confronted a girl. What do you mean right lo sese for confronting the girl? Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.